Hello guys, welcome back to day 20 of our 30 days React 0 to Hero series. And today we will be discussing the difference between higher order components and custom hooks. Let's get started. So in higher order component, we create a component which accepts a component and returns an enhanced component. But in a custom hook, we write the state and the logic to manipulate that state and export that logic for code reuse. While using HOC, function needs to wrap the component, but custom hook we can call it anywhere in our React components. HOC returns a new component. Custom hook returns a state or the functions, not a component. HOC shares the logic by wrapping the components, while custom hook shares the logic by calling the hook. HOCs are quite difficult to read, while custom hooks are cleaner and more readable. The main use of HOCs is while creating a theme, authentication wrapper, like this. I hope you got the main difference between HOCs and custom hooks. And that's it for today's video guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.